I'm Yasser. I'm 24 years old. I'm a Moroccan guy who loves Kung Fu. For 3 years I've been living in Luoyang, China. As much as I love Kung Fu, I love the colorful life here, because Luoyang has many cultural elements that fascinate me. I have made many friends in Luoyang, and in my free time they often take me to immerse myself in Chinese culture and experience the craftsmanship that has been passed down for thousands of years. The Lomang Grottoes, a World Heritage Site, is located in Luoyang, where two mountains face each other from east and west, and the Yi River flows through them, and the grottoes, large and small, are densely scattered on the cliffs of Lomang Mountain in a rich and spectacular form. Many riverside gardens and trails have been built in Luoyang, where I like to walk and fish, where flowers bloom and fall every month, and where there are always little blessings of life. Whenever the sun sets and twilight falls, the high-rise residential buildings along both sides of the river are full of lights and stars, written with the sense of belonging that this city brings to people. Whenever my relatives and friends in Morocco ask me why I choose to live in Luoyang, I will say that this place makes my life full and comfortable, and here I really experience the joy of life.